If your Frigidaire GRFS2853AF fridge is showing a power failure notice, it usually means the appliance recently lost power or experienced a voltage interruption. This alert is designed to inform you that the internal temperature may have changed during the outage, which can affect food safety. Many users get confused seeing this message and think there's a serious problem, but in most cases, it's just a notification that needs to be cleared. The good news is that you can remove this alert quickly and make sure your fridge is running normally again. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the power failure notice step by step. Try these. Step 1. Press the alarm reset or clear button on the control panel. Step 2. Check the current temperature settings for both fridge and freezer. Step 3. Adjust the temperature if needed to recommended levels. Step 4. Close the doors properly to allow stable cooling. Step 5. Wait a few minutes and confirm the warning message disappears.